Today we shall discuss about a problem in nodal analysis, how to compute the voltages in a circuit using nodal analysis. Okay, this is the given problem. In this problem we have two nodes V1 and V2. When you go through the circuit, for finding the voltages we can use either nodal analysis or you can use mesh analysis. Uh, Analyzing the circuit, we will come to know that we have one current source, one voltage source, and we have resistors and impedances connected to the system. Okay, when we start analyzing the circuit, and if you start solving using the nodal analysis, you cannot solve. Will be stuck up. Why? Because one thing, between two reference nodes V1 and V2, we have a voltage source. That's the obstacle we have in this problem. Before analyzing this, we have to know what is supernode. For that, I will go to the supernode page number. Here you have the different type topic called nodal analysis with voltage sources. In this, we have case 1. In case 1, if the voltage source is connected between the reference node and non-reference node, we simply set the voltage as non-reference node equal to the voltage of the voltage source. I mean, the non-reference node voltage will be set as equal to the voltage which is given in the circuit. So it is easy. There is another case which is called case 2, in which if the voltage source is connected between two non-reference nodes. Here we have voltage between one reference and non-reference is first case. In second case, we have voltage source between two non-reference node. Then the two non-reference node form a generalized node, or it is otherwise called supernode. Okay, if we have like this, see here we have a voltage source connected between two non-reference node V2 and V3. We cannot solve it directly. We have to apply KCL and KVL for determining the node voltages for the particular node. Okay, this is called supernode. For solving this, I'll explain you the definition. A supernode is formed by enclosing a voltage source connected between two non-reference nodes and any element connected in parallel with it. Okay, any element can be connected. It is called a supernode. For that, we have to solve using KVL and KCL. I'll go back to the problem. See, in this problem also we have V1 and V2 are as non-reference node, and we have a voltage source connected in between the two non-reference node, and we have parallel resistor too. Okay, other steps following nodal analysis are same, but this step, solving that super node alone, is different. Okay, for that, node 1 and node 2 form a super node as shown in the figure. Apply KCL. If you apply KCL at the super node, what will happen? See, for V1, if you apply, incoming current is 3 amps. So 3 is equal to, at this V1, we have one impedance connected here. So V1 divided by minus J3 plus, for V2 it is J6 and the 12 ohm connected to it. So we have to divide V2 by J6 and V2 by 12 ohm. Okay. Likewise, incoming nodes are this one, 3 amps, and the outgoing is this J6 and J12. So this is your KCL, or solving this, we will get 36 equal to J4V1 plus 1 minus J2V2. Okay, this is mathematical solving method. So have this equation as it is. Let it be the equation 1. Okay. And now we will start with a supernode. A supernode circuit is given like this. So everything is removed. Okay. For V1, since in between V1 and V2 we have 1045 voltage source, 10 angle 45 as the voltage source, V1 will be equal to V2 plus 10 angle 45. That is the another step. Okay. Solving this, we will have an equation called V1 equal to V2 plus 10 angle 45. Now what we get is V2 in terms of V1 we got. So substitute this V1 equal to V2 plus 1045 in this equation, in the above equation. Now solving, we will get this. substituting, we'll get V2 equal to 31.41 angle minus 87.18. For this, what we have to do is, we have to convert everything in the polar form. Since it is in polar form, we have to convert everything in polar form. So the answer of V2 will be in polar form. Now take this V2 and substitute either in this or in the previous equation. We will get what is V1. V1 equal to, we are substituting V2 in the second equation. So V1 equal to 25 angle minus 70.48. We can just add it. Okay. This is how we will find V1 and V2. For this, we cannot do directly. We have to take the super node, apply KCL and also KVL. We have applied KCL and KVL. So we've got it. Okay. Thank you.